hair right there. Oh, oh. Did it work?
Yeah, some hairs came out. Okay, so we are going to be trying this out on Daddy, my husband, his back. We're going to wax his back with this. And so, we, in our family, waxing is what, Cody Bird? If you want to wax your hairs off, it's up to you. You know, our bodies are our own. If you want to get rid of your hair, that's fine. For me personally, sometimes I wax, sometimes I don't. I teach my children that their bodies are their own. It's up to them. My husband does like to wax his back. Sometimes his legs too, huh?
Yeah.
But it's just up to you. And sometimes I wax, sometimes I don't. It's up to all of us. My children are still young, but we teach them that their bodies are their own. And if that's something they want to do, they can. But not to feel like they have to. So anyways, we're going to try this today. We have waxed my husband's backs before using some pre-made strips. We only have like one strip left right now. We don't have very many. So we thought, why not try sugar wax? And it's natural. We already had these ingredients in our kitchen. So why not try it? And that's what we think about that, right? Okay. Okay, so here it is. We're going to let it cool down for about 30 minutes and see what happens. Ours is a bit dark. I don't know if we've let it go a little bit too long, but we'll find out. We'll see. We'll let it cool down. This was our first batch. We did it too long. We made it too dark. So it just comes out super duper hard, like a hard candy.
Like really, really burnt sugar.
Yeah, it's burnt. So we're just trying to go golden on this next one. I think this one is ready.
Okay.
This one's ready. We can't go too much longer. I'm going to pour it out. Off here. Still quite warm. Is this too hot? Does it feel too hot? Are you sure? That's too hot?
Yeah, it's a little bit too hot, maybe.
We still didn't do it right.
What? What do you mean? Can't you just let it
We
cool
needed to do it. Yeah, but
Okay,
as it cools off, it gets too hard. We cooked. Yeah, because I don't want to. Like that? Is that too hot?
I can't tell. I can't tell.
Okay.
It's hot, though.
How does that feel?
Okay. That's
Too
good.
hot?
I think it's okay. It's a little hot. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Does it have to dry now?
Yeah, it has to. I have to get it onto the hairs.
Oh, okay.
See, it's cooling before I get it onto the hair, so I have to put it on kind of hot.
Well, that's not good.
Huh.
It's gonna be okay.
Shoot.
Maybe when I'm putting it, it'll
When you press it down, it feels way more, hurts way more. If you can like lay it on there, let it start drying, then that might work. But if you press it on, it hurts.
It's not sticking.
Do you have to like just pour it on?
I don't know if we went too cool with it.
You're pulling my hair right there. Oh. Did it work?
Yeah, some hairs came out. I don't know how to do this. Let me see.
I'm not feeling like a drying time. It's just put it on
Yeah,
there.
because it's just getting too dry. It's already dry in here. I feel like I need to heat it up again.
See that pulling?
See, they said you're supposed to put it like that.
Oh, you're gently pulling my hair out. As you're doing this, you're pulling my hair out like slowly, and it hurts so bad.
Well,
You're just
I
like
don't know.
getting my hair and pulling it instead of like doing it that quick way. When you're putting it on is when the hair's coming off.
I don't understand. Because, I mean, when it's in here nice and movable and stuff, it's too hot to put on. So then we let it cool off, and then it's hard to get on. So, I don't know. I'm done researching this and trying to do it. So, we're going to have to go back to our Nair waxy strips. Ready? Nothing. Not a hair to be done. So, anywho, this is going to be on the internet, Edward. So, anyways, if you guys have any tips for me on how to do this sugar waxing the proper way, then let me know. Because this is our third try, and this is what keeps going on. And it's too, I don't know. Anyways, just let us know. We've looked at videos and read. So, alright. Leaving, I'm just going to show, these are the ones we usually use. They're the Nair wax strips. And we only have these many left, so we thought we would try doing sugar wax. And it's natural and it's free because we have the ingredients, but we couldn't figure it out. But let me show you how this usually goes. Here, I'll give her one to do. Usually goes like this. You just pull them apart, slap them on like that. You can do it, Cody. Cody likes doing them.
Yeah.
And then you get it on there real good. Look at all the hairs in there.
Then
And then pull them off. You gotta go faster.
okay.
And you want to go, that's pretty good. You can use that one again. It might be we've done this area like 25 times, so I'm going to go the other direction. There we go. There it is. That was a good one. See, I wish we had a bunch of these. Look at that.
Sorry.
You said sorry. Wow. Look at that.
This.
Usually I cut these, but we only have two, and I'm kind of over this process now, so we'll just do one big one. You're doing that side?
I'm not sure what direction to go. There's lots right here, but there's also some here.
Wait a second. Let me do this one, then I'll see what's this. You're supposed to go the direction of the hair growth or the opposite. I don't know. I forget. But if one direction doesn't work, I usually do the other direction. Ooh, look at that one. Woo wee!
I got it.
Oh.
It's smooth right
I'm
there.
trying to.
Okay, wait. Don't pull it off yet. Let's see. Are you going down? Pull it down. This way, because when I pull this way, that
Okay,
direction.
this way.
Yeah, ready? Go.
Oh, just.
Yep, keep going.
Oh.
Wow,
Still
that
has
was a
lots
good
of
one.
hair.
Yeah.
Okay, we're done. Let's be done. Oh, please, let's be done.
That was a good one.
So it'll
Alright, so anyways, that's how those usually go. See y'all later. Say bye, Edward.
Bye.